Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the Blockies Venom na Marvel Rivals na action figure. So right now, this is the sixth Venom skin na nagawa natin. This is the Venom King in Black na version. So first step is to apply Boss Knee number 4 flat black as our primer. So that the paints will stick to the surface. Lahat ng paint na i-apply natin magbabond doon sa plastic. Yan. So let the primer cure for about 4 to 12 hours and then next layer na tayo using primer gray from Hero Paints. Thank you very much Hero Paints for always sponsoring our projects. Okay, yung method na ginagamit natin dito ay dry brushing. So sa dry brushing, konti lang yung paint dun sa brush natin. Tapos i-drag lang natin yung paint dun sa surface. Kumbaga, nakaka-catch lang niya lahat ng mga parts na nakaangat. Yung mga recessed areas or yung mga nakalubog na areas, hindi na siya malalagyan ng pintura. So in that way, magkakaroon siya ng extra layer of weathering, ma-emphasize yung sculpt, and nagkakaroon din ng additional layer of highlights. Okay, next paint is dark blue. So since medyo very neutral yung color ni Venom, dagdagan natin ng hint ng color blue. So same process, dry brushing pa din. Okay, next step is to use white for our base para dito sa axe. Yung axe ginawa ko using cardboard, glue stick, and barbecue stick. Yan, scratch build to mga ma'am sir. Na proportion kay 6-inch Venom Blockies Marvel Rivals. So next is to use the fluorescent paints from Hero Paints. Napakaganda ng fluorescent paints ni Hero Paints kasi super vibrant ng yellow na to. Super, super cool. Grabe. Para siyang nag-glow. Ang base natin dito is white. So, recommended pag gumamit tayo ng fluorescent paints, the previous layer is always white or a lighter color. Tapos yun kanina, orange yung in-apply natin para magkaroon ng orange tint yung King in Black na Venom version. In-apply natin yan sa mata, sa logo, and sa axe. Yung axe pala na yun, combination siya ng Mjolnir at saka surfboard ni Silver Surfer. Yun yung story ng King in Black. So if you wanna know more, punta lang kayo sa YouTube and search for Venom King in Black. Kalaban niya dun si Null. And ito yung upon my research, ito siya yung pinakamalakas na Venom na suit. Ano na siya, cosmic level ability na yung powers niya dito. Ayan, nalalagyan na natin ng orange yung kanyang nag-apply na tayo ng fluorescent orange dun sa previous layer natin. Tapos yung final na step is to apply number 191 flat clear for our top coat. And let it dry for about 8 hours and then yun na, pwede mo nang paglaruan. So make sure na pag mga gantong klaseng action figures, fully painted, please be very careful in rotating yung mga joints, yung mga articulated parts. Kasi nga, since this is an action figure or model kit, any parts na nag-rub, may chance na magkaroon ng paint, minor paint rub or minor paint scratches. So yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.